The purpose of this video is to introduce the student to Ebscohost. Ebscohost is an online database and it is very powerful. When you are on the campus of Faith Baptist Bible College, you will automatically be logged in. If you are off campus, you will need to log in. There's a username and password. The username and password is posted on the course syllabus. So go ahead and get logged in. You're going to want to go to Ebscohost Web. Here there are the various databases. I would recommend not selecting all, okay? This is the database that's the most profitable for religious studies, the Atla Religion database with Atla serials. Select that database, and then it's searching. This is not an intuitive search field like Amazon.com or Google. You do need to select the field. If you want to select the field, you can select the field. What I usually do will just type in one field, and then the author's name may be in a second field. What you don't want to do is type in the title and the author in the same field. Use different fields. And here are our results, and this is the article that I was pointing to, and it found it. I'm going to teach you a couple of other things here. One of the issues that I frequently run into when searching on Ebscohost is this right here. This is a review. I don't care about a review. It's a review. It's a book review or something. You know, who cares? You can see that there's a ton of entries. So you need to play around with this a little bit and learn how to narrow your fields down. So one of the changes that I do when I'm just beginning research especially is that I don't want reviews. Publication type is not review. Okay, and that eliminated about 400 different articles. Now, that's still, if you're just, again, we're just starting our study of Ecclesiastes. You might not be sure. Hopefully you can refine it a little bit more than just a whole book of the Bible. But some of the other ways to limit is a full text. Full text is nice because those are the articles where you have the whole PDF right there. You got to be careful with that one because you should be able to find resources. Like earlier, we searched for McCabe's article on Ecclesiastes. Because we selected full text, that article would not show up in this search. So you need to be careful with that one, but especially if you're in a pinch and you need to find something and you need it now, the full text search is frequently used by students. Another thing that's frequently used is the publication date. One of the things that we expect from you is to use resources that are somewhat recent. So if you refine the publication date to more recent articles, and then that also narrows down your search parameters. So now we're down to 119, and again, this is just a broad search on the entire book of Ecclesiastes. So you can see just with a few of these tools how you can use Ebscohost and find the articles and the resources that you need to do theological research. Ebscohost does use the term limiters for the refining of the search. So if you wanted to remove the full text limiter, then you can just click on that X, take that off, and now we've updated it to 436 articles published in the last 15 years. Okay, if you have any questions, there's a discussion forum. Go ahead and post on the discussion forum.